In this video, we are looking at the use of has and a have. Both has and have can be used as helping verbs. They can also be used to show possession in a sentence. Has is used with pronouns he, she, it, and singular nouns. Example: he has a ball. She has a bag. Jack has a dog. It has 4 legs. Have. Have is used with pronouns I, you, we, they, and the plural nouns. Example: I have a bicycle. You have a pink dress. We have a car. They have a ball. Thank you for listening. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.